Some days you just want to feel put together but still like you. Today's vibe, a little sculpted, a little soft. We're talking bustiers, skirts, and the type of fit that says I showed up effortlessly. Hey guys, it's Reliance. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this outfit right here on the screen, here or here, I don't know where, but we're just gonna making the outfit on the screen. So guys, this is like a peplum kind of top and a pencil skirt. So we're gonna making this stuff for my sister, y'all, cause like she's gonna be needing this on a Sunday. So we've got like a few days to go to make this outfit, and you're like, so the fabric we're gonna be using is a damax fabric, and then the pencil skirt is just a crepe fabric. So guys, I already cut out the fabric and I realized that I did not show you guys the fabric. So this is what the damax looks like right here, really cute. And then of course this is okay, so there's like a music playing in the background, and I do not want this video to be copyrighted, okay? But anyways, guys, so this is the crepe fabric that we're gonna be using for this skirt. So I already cut down the pieces, and we're just gonna start sewing. Let's get right into this video. Let's start sewing. So guys, I already cut out the patterns. If y'all want a video on how I drafted out these patterns, they are super easy. Y'all let me know in the comment section and I would do a beginner friendly video for y'all. And guys, please ignore the quality of the section of the video. It's gonna get better, I promise. What I'm doing here is basically just joining the front pieces together before adding the back and the sides. Even though you wanna know where you go, I just wanna keep you on. Look at him. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on us and dive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. So I'm just making notches following the line that I sewed. So I'm gonna open this up later to iron it flat. That way this can sit properly when you're wearing it, and the bustier is gonna look real nice. So that is what I'm basically doing right here. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. This is what we have after creating the notch and joining the front pieces together. So I'm just gonna be joining the side pieces and the back piece together, and I'm just gonna pin that to sew all along. And I'm also gonna be doing some ironing on the inside. Whichever one is in a asshole, oh damn yeah man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Here's a little advice. If you are a fashion designer or you sew, or as long as you use the sewing machine, you gotta learn how to be a sewing machine technician, y'all, because like you need to know how to fix it. So I'm just gonna give y'all like a little backstory of what happened to me last Friday. So I was working with my sewing machine, and then I took a little break, and then I came back, and then all of a sudden my sewing machine just wasn't working. You're like, I was so pissed because I've been working the day before, and then throughout the whole morning, you're like, this is 7 p.m. okay, so I was working, and then the machine is suddenly having issues. So you're like, I got super frustrated, and I had to like just abandon the sewing machine. I went outside, I took a little breather, and then I came back in. I started finishing the project with my friend's sewing machine just because I was supposed to deliver on a Saturday morning, and now this is Friday evening, 7 p.m. We were having this issue, y'all. Like the project wasn't even half done. So I was just so like frustrated, yo. Like this was super crazy. So I had to work with my friend's sewing machine and finish off the project. And then on Saturday after delivery, I had to start looking into the machine, because you're like, I've always been a little Tinkerbell because I like to fix things. I believe I can fix whatever it is, you know. I just like fixing my stuff, y'all. So I do not like the idea of taking my sewing machine to a sewing machine technician to get that fixed, because you're like, I don't really know what they're taking out or putting into the machine, because you're like, I might not be there. Why do every single thing? So anyways, I just like to fix it myself. So I started looking into my sewing machine, y'all. Like this was so crazy. I started opening nuts and stuff, things that I didn't actually know how to couple back. You're like, anyways guys, I found the issue and I fixed it. You're like, I realized that my sewing machine wasn't sewing because the footer
hole was just way too high. I had to take off like I just had to open this up, and then I had to like reduce the footer so it's just gonna be like on a normal level. So that was the reason why it wasn't sewing, because the footer was just too high and the needle wasn't actually picking the thread from underneath the bobbing. That was actually what I did, and like, my sewing machine is perfectly fine, back to normal. And of course my needle was having issues too, so I had to change the needle because the needle was bent and then it was dragging the fabric. So I saw that, and like, this was the needle that I changed a few days ago. Okay, sometimes the issue can just be very minor, and then you're spending a whole lot of bucks taking your sewing machine out to get that fixed. Because guys, those people, they be so pricey, and it's just so crazy, y'all. Like, I don't trust my baby over here to someone else, to a total stranger, y'all. Like, I'm not that kind of person. I'm the kind of girl that whatever it is, I'm gonna tell you, like, whatever it is you are experiencing or your sewing machine is experiencing, there's always a solution here on YouTube, y'all. Like, this is the space where you can learn, teach yourself stuff, and whatever. So I'm gonna advise you that you should look more into cleaning and how your sewing machine works and how to fix it if you have issues. Because I see tons of videos on Instagram and also here on YouTube on how to fix certain things. I just watch the videos and probably save them for later when I need it. So yeah, anyways guys, with that being said, let's get right back into the video.
So y'all, what I'm gonna be doing right now is to use the lining to cover this up because I already attached the sides. So I'm just gonna be putting the lining and then sewing this and flip it over.
No sir, no sir, no sir. No make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, but you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker. Pop one pill with this.
I finished sewing the lining and the fabric together, so this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna be flipping this over because it is right side facing each other. And guys, I am also creating some notch around the upper and the armhole area so I can flip this properly and it's gonna be very smooth. Y'all, like, this is what we have after covering this up with the lining. And I'm just gonna attach the sleeves and also the flare part of this dress.
Hi guys, so we are actually taking a break from sewing because like, I have been sewing for like a couple of hours, and guys, like, I am so exhausted, y'all. Not gonna lie, I am so exhausted. So I gotta go get me something to eat and just like take a break because like, I've been cooped up in this corner sewing and it's just so exhausting. And yeah, so
y'all, like, I already attached the gathers on this top and also the sleeves, and I just pinned down the zipper because I want to sew on the zipper right now. So this is what the flare part is looking like. So this is a peplum style, y'all. So I'm just gonna sew on the zipper right now and show y'all the front side of the top. Okay, y'all, like, so what happened was, y'all, I forgot that the sleeves was supposed to go in between the max fabric and the lining. So I had to lose up the lining and the fabric to put the sleeves in between.
Yes, sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block is hot flaming Chester. Yes, sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rester. Talk about the conflicts and like.
So guys, I finished making the outfit, y'all, like, and this literally took me 2 days to make this outfit. And guys, I did not vlog me making the pencil skirt, y'all. Like, it was just a regular pencil skirt with slip behind. If y'all want a tutorial on how to make the pencil skirt, y'all can let me know in the comment section and I will do a video on that for y'all. And also, I'm gonna be making a beginner friendly video on how to make bustier for beginners, y'all. Like, I'm not a professional or anything. This is just a video of me showing you what I know how to do. But anyways guys, just stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun creating this video with y'all, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. So bye, peace, we out.
No sir, no sir.